You cannot choose who comes in your life, but it is true that those who comes in your life will teach you a lesson. Who said these great lines? These great lines are said by C.V. Raman. Hello, I am Krishna Dinesh Thakre from Titans Public School, and my topic from the group first is C.V. Raman. The great Indian physicist Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman, popularly known as C.V. Raman, was born on 7th of November in 1888 in Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu. His father was a physics teacher, and so it was natural that Raman would develop love for this subject only. He was a brilliant and promising lad. He passed his matriculation examination at the young age of 12 from the Madras University. His parents want to send him to England, but it was not possible because of the poor condition of the family. He studied in the Hindu College, Visakhapatnam, and Presidency College, Madras. He obtained his post-graduation degree in physics in 1907 with top position. During his student period, he conducted many researches and published his papers in many reputed magazines. In same year 1907, Raman got the first position in the financial service examination and was appointed as the assistant accountant general in the Calcutta. They are named Dr. Amritlal Sarkar, who was secretary of the Indian Association of the Science in the life of the young scientist. His interest in physics was deep and lasting, so he continued his result in leading journals of Calcutta, now Kolkata, which were in regard to the subject of propagation of light. The original research papers were of the great scientific significance. When this came in the notice to the vice challenger of Calcutta University, Sir Ashutosh Mukherjee, he appointed him professor of physics, in the university. During his stay at the university, he continued his research with much more dedication and won immense honor and recognition as a physicist. He was elected the fellow of Royal Society of London in 1924. He discovered the Raman effect in 1920. For it he was awarded as a Nobel Prize of Physics in 1930. He became the first Indian to win this prestigious honor. With this award, his reputation increased by leaps and bounds of many universities and institutions of reputed honoring with PhD and DSc degrees. In December 1927, he was busy in a laboratory when when the news came that well-known physicist A.M. Compton was awarded by a Nobel Prize for demonstration that the nature of X-rays undergoes a change when passed through the matter. This effect came to known as the Compton effect. This encouraged by this discovery, Raman continued his experiment of the Compton rays in the laboratory, and after that he also done the Compton effect and made our India proud. Raman was too great that he was a great physicist and learned the physics from very hard work, and he was true physics teacher. Raman was too brilliant from the from the born age only, and he was a true leader of India, and he had discovered many researches of the India, and he will be the great man forever. And we cannot forget the C.V. Raman for the whole year. And this is the C.V. Raman's very important victory. Thank you.